Stop working so hard because this workflow feels illegal. And once you see it, you'll wonder why you ever did things the old way. But first, I need to warn you, this will ruin how you work forever. Everyone is using AI wrong. They ask it one question, get one answer, and move on. That's not a workflow. That's just Googling with extra steps. What I'm about to show you is different. It's how top creators, freelancers, and builders actually use AI, and the scary part. It works for almost anything: content, business, studying, planning, even decision-making. Stay until the end because step 4 is where it starts feeling like cheating. Step 1. One brain. Not many tools. Here's the first mistake people make. They jump between tools, chat here, notes there, tasks somewhere else. That kills momentum. Instead, you use one AI as the brain. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, doesn't matter. This AI becomes your command center. Everything starts here. Ideas, plans, drafts, decisions. Why? Because context compounds. The more it knows what you're doing, the better it gets, and this unlocks step 2. Step 2, never start from zero again. Blank pages are productivity killers. So don't start from zero, ever. Instead, use this prompt. Ask me 5 smart questions to clarify what I want before you begin. That's it. Now AI interviews you. It pulls ideas out of your head that you didn't know were there. This works for YouTube scripts, business ideas, study plans, product designs. You answer once, and suddenly you're already 30% done. But here's where it gets interesting. Step 3. Split thinking from doing. Humans are bad at juggling, thinking, planning, executing. So don't let AI think first. Tell it, think step by step. Don't write yet. Now AI plans silently. Then say, turn that plan into a clear output. This alone doubles quality. Why? Because most people force AI to think while producing. That's like talking while solving math. And now comes the step most people skip, the one that feels unfair. Step 4, the feedback loop. This is the cheat. Here's the secret. You don't accept the first answer, ever. Instead, you say, critique this like a top 1% expert. Be harsh. AI attacks its own work, finds weaknesses, gaps, confusing parts. Then you say, fix it. This is the loop. Create, critique, improve over and over. No ego, no fatigue, no emotional attachment. You just upgraded your work without upgrading your effort. But wait, there's one more layer. Step 5, turn AI into a role. This changes everything. You don't talk to AI, you talk to a role. For example, you are a viral YouTube strategist. You are a senior software architect. You are a productivity coach for busy founders. Why this works? Because context shapes output. Now AI filters answers through experience. It stops being generic and starts sounding scarily competent. But we're not done yet. Step 6. Save your best prompts. Most people don't. This is where people lose. They reinvent prompts every time. Don't. Create a small library. Idea prompt, planning prompt, critique prompt, rewrite prompt. These become your workflow shortcuts. Like keyboard shortcuts for thinking. Over time, your prompts get sharper. And suddenly, your AI feels custom trained. Which leads to the final step. Step 7. Let AI run ahead of you. Here's the mindset shift. You don't ask, what should I do next? You ask, what would you do if you were me? Now AI starts anticipating. It suggests steps, flags mistakes early, offers ideas before you're stuck. At this point, you're no longer working alone. You have a thinking partner that never gets tired, and that's why this feels like cheating. Why this workflow works? It removes friction. It removes blank starts. It separates thinking from execution. And it compounds context over time. You don't become faster by working harder. You become faster by removing decisions. Arrow open loop CT. I didn't even show the automation version of this workflow. The one where tasks, notes, and AI talk to each other. If you want that next, you know what to do. Subscribe, because once you use this workflow, there's no going back, and yeah, it really does feel like cheating.